So we are going to be doing a new project this week. So kiddos who are not working on the PSSAs, we are going to be doing another project. This is a geometry quadrilateral project. So I'm going to go ahead and open up first our document with the instructions. Nope, this does not have our instructions. Give me a moment because I know I have those instructions somewhere. And I need to figure out what happened. That's so strange. I know what happened. All right. So give me 30 seconds. My computer is just being very slow because I am both recording and I am in a meeting. All right. Here we go. Open with Cami. Now I have them. All right. So this is going to boot up. So this is what we're doing. I'm going to make sure that I modify your guys' materials to make sure that this is included. I don't know why it's been deleted out, but I'm going to do that after I meet with Pete. So basically what you guys are going to be doing is you're going to be creating a town square for a city. And in this town square, you can only use quadrilaterals. So remember when we look at the word quadrilateral, we're going to look at two of the root words in there. The first one is quad, Q-U-A-D. Quad stands for four, right? A root word. Lateral is like similar to linear, right? It's line based. So quadrilaterals are shapes with four sides. Okay. So what you guys are going to be doing is you're going to be building a town square. So here's the setup. Quadrilateral city is a place where everything from buildings and roads to houses and parks are built using only quadrilaterals. Citizens of Quadrilateral City recently passed a bond to fund the renovation of their town square. The city's mayor heard about your expertise in all things quadrilateral and is considering hiring you as the lead architect for his redesign project. So this is going to be your instruction packet. Again, I am going to pop this in for you. It has accidentally been deleted out somehow, but you're going to have four main steps to this project. First is we're going to draw and label a map showing our town square design. You're going to use a map design checklist to make sure that you get everything that you should on that map. Then you're going to create a guidebook explaining the important features and shapes included in your design. And finally, we're going to, if we have time, write a speech to help present our design at the upcoming town hall meeting. So what you guys are going to be working on today and tomorrow is drawing your map. Before breaking ground, the mayor has asked you to provide an aerial view map of your proposed design. The citizens of Quadrilateral City would like to see at least one of each type of the quadrilaterals included in the design so that their town identity has a presence throughout the town square. They also have agreed that these features listed below must be included in their new town square. So in your map, you're going to have 2 restaurants, 2 retail shops, 1 city hall, 1 library, 1 theater, 1 hotel, 1 park, a post office, streets, and sidewalks. Okay? So all of those things must be included in your designs. Give me 30 seconds to try and do something real quick. Okay. So you guys can use the rubric that I provided to help you go ahead and make sure that you are meeting everything up at the best that we can. So step 1, you're going to open the file Quadrilateral City Town Square Map. And you can drag the quadrilaterals onto the map space to create a rough draft map that includes all the requested town square features. Remember, it's a rough draft sketch, so we're not going to be adding any special details yet. The rough draft is all about creating a general plan that will help you include all of the townspeople's requests in your design. So we're going to use this checklist below as we complete our rough draft of the sketch. So we need to have 2 restaurants, 2 retail shops, 1 city hall, one library, one theater, one hotel, one park, a post office, streets, and sidewalks. And we need to include at minimum at least one of each of these: a parallelogram, a rectangle, a square, a trapezoid, and a rhombus. Okay. So you're going to go ahead, open up that document, and I'm going to open up the correct document for you. So if I go ahead, share this tab with you, this document here is where we're going to be recording our aerial view map. So that's going to open up as this document. Sorry, my computer is so slow. And you could see right here, it already gives you a grid. You could type your name here, and there's a bunch of stuff for you. So first, over here on the side, I have included for you the rubric that I'm going to use to score this. You also have a scavenger hunt checklist. This is for you and staff to complete once you think you're done. So you can fill out that checklist. Oh my goodness. My computer is just super slow. Sorry. So you could go ahead and I believe you can move these stars over, or you could just hit a check mark. See? And then I have included one of each shape for you to use down here. So you need to use each of these guys down at the bottom at least once. Okay. So in the essence of my computer being super slow, I'm going to go ahead and show you all the things that I have around are on these alternate slides. So you could copy and paste from here or drag and drop each of these onto your map. Remember, these are the features you need to include. You have a town square scavenger hunt checklist. So this is for you and staff to finish. Once you believe that you have finished this, you and staff are going to go through and make sure you have all the items. And then finally, your rubric that you can use. So that is what you guys are going to be doing today and probably wrapping up a little bit tomorrow. Do you have any questions for me today, Pete? It's okay that your mic doesn't work. All right, I'm going to assume that you don't have any questions for me. So I'm going to let you go ahead and start this project. And I'm going to drop the instructions back in for you. All right. I'm going to go ahead